Why are you late? I am late because the bus broke down. I am late because the bus broke down. Why is the floor wet? The floor is wet because I spilled some water. The floor is wet because I spilled some water. Why are you laughing? I am laughing because the joke was funny. I am laughing because the joke was funny. Why did she leave early? She left early because she wasn't feeling well. She left early because she wasn't feeling well. Why is the baby crying? The baby is crying because he's hungry. The baby is crying because he's hungry. Why can't we go outside? We can't go outside because it's raining. We can't go outside because it's raining. Why are you wearing a coat? I am wearing a coat because it's cold today. I am wearing a coat because it's cold today. Why did the dog bark? The dog barked because it heard a noise. The dog barked because it heard a noise. Why are the lights off? The lights are off because there's a power failure. The lights are off because there's a power failure. Why are you upset? I am upset because I lost my toy. I am upset because I lost my toy. Why are you studying so hard? I am studying hard because I have a test tomorrow. I am studying hard because I have a test tomorrow. Why did they cancel the game? The game was cancelled because of the storm. The game was cancelled because of the storm. Why are you whispering? I am whispering because the baby is sleeping. I am whispering because the baby is sleeping. Why is he so tired? She is tired because she stayed up all night. She is tired because she stayed up all night. Why do you need help? I need help because I can't lift this on my own. I need help because I can't lift this on my own. Thanks for watching, and consider subscribing if you like this content.